I mean, wow. Look at this guy. Look at those eyes and that sharp nose. And wait, what is that? But you definitely don't want to use this guy as a reference while drawing. In this video, I'm going to be exposing all the secrets that most of us digital artists hide from you. So let's start the video. As a new beginner artist, if you're probably stuck, you go and look at some digital art tutorials, right? But you don't understand any of that stuff.
I didn't understand a one word you said.
Now that's a valid crash out. But don't worry, I got you covered. Here are some of the secrets of digital art that will help you level up. Secret tip 1. Your favorite artist. Open your Instagram account and just search on Instagram for your favorite artist, right? An artist that you admire or you love their art style, right? And go through their profile, check out their art process. What composition are they using? What colors do they use? How is their line art? Try to study their art process and their art style. What type of dynamic poses are they using? And this will really help you level up quickly as an artist. But please don't trace or steal or feed their artwork to AI. Just use it as reference. Secret tip 2. Use guidelines, proportions, and references. This is wrong and this is right because there's no proportions here. Try to use proportions and guidelines while you're drawing your characters. Using reference is not cheating, not using reference is. And please don't ever use bad references like this. I mean, sure, he looks handsome and that... Secret tip number 3. Pick one art category. Stop chasing multiple art styles and art categories. Choose one of them, either landscapes or environment art, or you want to draw anime style art, or do you want to draw character designs and design cool characters, or you want to draw comics and manga. Choose one and try to chase that one. So I love drawing backgrounds and landscape artworks, and I've gotten over 2 million or 400,000 views. Then I learned how to draw character designs, and then I started drawing my comic pages. So first I started with landscapes, then character designs, and then comics. Learn digital art terminology. So what is terminology? Terminology is nothing but the knowledge of the words that are used in a field of study. This is line art, and this is called flat colors, shading, highlights, and this entire process is called rendering, and you need to know that to learn it. Learn about dynamic poses, foreshortening, and depth. Master one drawing software. I mean, there are a ton of drawing softwares out there, but choose one software and try to practice it every day so you can master that one. I draw all my artworks on my phone, so I think Ibis Paint is the best app on the phone, so that's why I use it. And if you want to learn Ibis Paint, then make sure that you go check out this tutorial. And here's the final secret. And most artists keep it a secret, but it's very simple actually. All you have to do is combine all the knowledge that you gained and put them together at once. When you're drawing an artwork, simply focus on the composition, learn about the composition, right? There are different types of compositions. You can learn all them. Also learn about focal point. Focal point is nothing but where do you want your viewer to look in the artwork? What are the important points? And learn about rule of thirds, which is pretty much the basic one. And there's a ton of composition techniques that you can use. Learn about dynamic poses as well. You know, just look up references and start practicing. And you definitely want to learn about foreshortening as well. And just look up some references, start practicing, put all that knowledge together, and that's it. Hey guys, I hope you learned something of value today, and here are some other videos if you want to check out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.